can tell you the most important part out of whether you're in that nice
What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be shooting at Hyatt Farm Shooting Complex. This is by far my favorite range to go to. They have one of the best ranges around North Carolina, especially like near Charlotte. So I love this range. Today we're going to be shooting 22 LR. We're going to be shooting 5.56, and we're going to be shooting a little 9mm too as well. So I'll be, going to the pistol range, shooting there. Then I'll take the rifles, and we're gonna sight it in at 50 yards on the rifle range. And then once we're good to go, then we're gonna head to the 600-yard range, and we're gonna be plinking still at 50, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 yards. So we're gonna try to get to the 600-yard mark, and we'll see how it goes.
mitigate a lot of this recoil. Now, I can tell you the most important part out of whether you're in that nice classic feature ass leader full fight.
That was horrible. We're at the 600 yards.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna sight in the rifle.
Oh yeah?
So let me go ahead and turn that on. Okay. So I'm gonna sight this in at 600 yards. Actually, where's my ammo? Oh, I left my ammo in the car. Alright, let's see if I can sight this in at 50. I think it's shooting towards the right, so we're going to do
I was waiting for him. Yeah, you right on. Turn around from.
So trying to figure out the splash too. So
yeah, this is what I was hoping for.
We'll see.
Like a year.
I'll be back. I need to get my ammo. Alright, so this is going to be second round. Trying to sight this thing in. Let's see where it's at. If I could, find it. Yeah, I have no idea where it's hitting it. Ah, here it is. So, okay. That, and then we're gonna bring it up.
Perfect, man.
What's the urgency or rules to shooting on that like little barricade?
So, just making sure that you maintain the same fire line as everybody else. You can, if you want to stand in, I can just stay forward. Yep. As long as the muzzle's on the same line.
What did I do wrong?
Huh?
I did something wrong.
Let me see. Give me a second. I gotta figure out where this motherfucking thing is. Oh. Let me see. Give me a second. Ah. So, yeah, I have to figure out how to read splash, you know. I think splash is pretty hard, so for me.
Exactly, yeah.
Right.
So,
The bullet impact up.
yeah. Because I like
50 yards.
I still wanted to
We'll
swing
click
by
half a
your
minute.
tower real quick. I want to have them put up that target when they go in the range point. And then I'm just going to bring it down. Alright. Is there like a little...
Oh, you need
the trunk, yeah. I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool. Let's see if we need to bring it up more. Just a little bit up, I would say. And then this should be the last. Up. Looks like I'm where I need to be. Alright, take a couple more shots for this. And then we'll be able to bring it out. Alright, looks like we're right there. Alright. Cool. So now that we have this sighted in, we're going to bring it out to 100, 200, and then 300. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we sighted it in at 50 yards. It's a lot of wind, but it's coming straight at us, so it just affected by a little bit, I understand. So we're going to try to take it up 100 yards and then 200 yards, and then we're going to check our ballistic calculator and see how many mils we need to adjust with. So first we're going to drop by the mils. So it's 1.5 mils at 100 yards. So we're going to take this and...
Hey, y'all got any food up in the classroom? Some what?
We are...
Don't know if we do or not.
Alright. Alright, so I'm recording.
Go check it. I'm trying to.
So 1.5 mils. Should hit that. Shooting that. 1.5 mils. There you go. Let's try to hit this 1.5 mils. Pretty consistent at this range. See here too? Oh, pretty close. Alright, right up. So because of the wind, we're gonna have to adjust a little bit. So as you can see, they're shooting these big guns. Can't even hear my own hit. Up. Hitting this. We're gonna start bringing the impact point to the right some. To that distance.
Dude, the 100 yard is like huge. Yeah, the 100 yard is easy. So if you're 50 yards, I have a question. This sounds like a really dumb question. I think that
For 200 yards is 6 mils.
I think when it's
200 yards is this distance here. So I'll wait to dial that in. We're gonna shoot a couple more at this range here.
So one thing you can do, and this is something one of my buddies taught me, is you grab your band
At 200 yards, the rifle performs, right? It's decently accurate and the bullet would get there. Look at this video. But the issue is you won't hear a report because of these distances and because of so much ambient noise from being at a range. You can't even hear it. So with that, I wanted to conclude this range video. Basically, I had a couple key learnings that I wanted to share with you that I thought were important to me, and something that I'll take back for the next time I go to the range. So one, input the right data into your ballistics calculator. So here's the data that I have for my 22 LR, and then this is the data that I have for my 5.56. This 5.56 data is not right at all. And my 22 LR, that data wasn't right either, just because I don't have the correct sight height, and I don't have, I think the velocity is correct on here. So that's number one. If you have that wrong, that is going to mess up your dope. That's going to mess up your calculations. So we definitely want to get that part right. Number two, it's really a useful tool to understand splash and being able to spot it. So that means making sure that you're focused on the impact of the bullet, wherever that may be, and understanding whether it's in front, behind, to the left, or to the right, and how the debris behaves when a bullet kicks up dirt. So that would greatly help. I actually used a lot more ammo than I needed to for this video because I didn't understand that. So next time I go out, I'll have a better understanding of splash. I'll look at this video, and I have some key learnings to go back to. So other than that, I would say that this range visit was pretty fun. It was definitely a learning experience, and I look forward to y'all joining me on my next time at the range. Peace.